I recently tried installing Eyezy on an iPhone, hoping for a simple, user-friendly monitoring app. However, the experience was less than stellar, and I quickly realized that Eyezy wasn't the best option for my needs. From the start, I noticed that Eyezy requires physical access to the target iPhone, which is not ideal if you don't have regular access to the phone or aren't tech-savvy. The installation process involved enabling certain settings, trusting the app, and disabling some security features, which could be confusing for first-time users. I expected a smoother, more straightforward setup. Once I managed to install Eyezy, the limitations became apparent. While it offers text and call tracking, it doesn't provide comprehensive monitoring of social media apps. In today's digital world, being able to track activities on apps like Snapchat, Instagram, and WhatsApp is essential for full parental control. Eyezy doesn't offer these capabilities, which left me frustrated. That's when I decided to give Amobix a try, and I was impressed right from the start. Amobix is much easier to install and gives you full control over monitoring an iPhone. Here's why Amobix is hands down the better option. Real-time tracking. Amobix provides immediate updates on texts, calls, and locations, ensuring you stay informed. Eyezy, however, struggles to deliver real-time updates, leaving gaps in your monitoring. Comprehensive social media monitoring. With Amobix, you can track activity on Snapchat, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and more. Eyezy lacks this feature, so it's not as effective for social media monitoring. Stealth mode. Amobix runs in the background without being detected, allowing for discreet monitoring. Eyezy, on the other hand, can be easily spotted by the user, which defeats the purpose of stealth. Better customer support. Amobix offers 24/7 customer service, ensuring you always have help when you need it. Eyezy is more difficult to get support from, making troubleshooting harder. If you're finding this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips and guides. In conclusion, Amobix is the superior option for iPhone monitoring. It's easy to install, offers real-time tracking, and provides full social media monitoring, something Eyezy simply can't match. For the best results, make the switch to Amobix. Use the link in the description to try Amobix and unlock exclusive discounts and bonuses.